a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, doing a requested blend. And I've received a few requests for the colors 6, 13, 27, and 30, and so I'm joining those into one video. And honestly, I feel like I've been doing a lot of blends with the color 613, so I'm probably going to hold back on the color 613 here for a while so I can do some other colors. I just feel like I've been doing a lot of the same similar blends. So I think the next blend that I wanted to do, that I actually wanted to do next, was an ocean blue blend. And someone wanted me to do 3 different like blues with a green, but I didn't have 3 different blues, so I'm gonna go out and try to find that, and then that will be my next one. I also want to do someone requested a blend that has an emerald green in it, so I have to go out and find that. And so those 2 blends will be my next 2 coming up, and I'm going to stay away from the color 613. I love it, but y'all, I've been doing way too much of it. So this one right here, this isn't really a requested blend, but someone had basically given me the idea of the 613, 27, 30, and the color 144. I love that color 144. Like, I think I want to get a wig, like a bob wig done in that color. I think that would look so cute. And so for the first blend, it's going to be the 613, 27, 30, and 144. And then I'm going to do a different requested blend with the colors 613, 27, and 30. And then after that, I will do another requested blend with just the colors 613 and 30. And then at the very end, I will show you guys what all 3 blends look like in a braid. So make sure to watch until the end. Also, make sure you guys are liking these videos and subscribing to the braiding channel. It really helps the channel. Also, leave a comment down below of what you want to see next. I'm not saying don't put any 613, but if you do put 613 down, just know that it's probably going to be a while before you see your requested blends, because I'm trying to get some other blends in colors going here. I pretty much got everyone's requests written down. It's just going to take me some time to find all of the colors and get them out. So if you've already sent a request, just know I have your request and they will be coming as soon as possible. I'm so excited. And yeah, thank you guys for all the love, all the support. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be blessed, stay safe, and filled with love and peace.